Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am presenting simple, unique and creative wedding album layouts. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Select the elliptical marquee tool and make circle. Then create a new layer and fill black. Make a background layer white. Add one more circle with using elliptical marquee tool and make a new layer and fill white. Make a duplicate layer of circle and reduce size as per your choice and fill black. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. Link is in the description box below. Now select a pen tool and start to create shape. You can follow me or you can create as per your choice. To add proper border, select shape with magic wand tool, then go to select, modify and contract by 60% and hit OK. Now select a pen tool and start to create another shape. Now let's add images. To watch such a videos, then subscribe, like and share. Also click on the bell icon. Now add text as per your choice. Select the small shape and fill it with color according to the images. Add any text here too. Here is your unique design is ready. Make creative designs like this and impress your clients. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If any suggestion, please comment down below.